Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're curious about how to invest in the metaverse but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking it all down, step by step, in a beginner-friendly way. Let's dive into the future and maybe even make a little money along the way. The metaverse is a collective virtual space where users interact with each other and digital environments. Think of it like the next version of the internet, but in 3D. Companies like Meta, Microsoft and Roblox are already building in it. And just like the early internet, there's an opportunity here, especially for investors. Let's look at the top 5 ways you can invest in the metaverse. Buy shares in companies developing metaverse tech, like Meta Platforms, NVIDIA or Unity software. Exchange-traded funds like the Roundhill Ball Metaverse ETF give you exposure to multiple metaverse-related stocks at once. Buy land in platforms like Decentraland or the Sandbox. These plots are being bought and sold like physical real estate. Tokens like Mana, Sand or Access are tied to specific platforms. You can invest in them like any cryptocurrency. Non-fungible tokens can represent land, digital wearables or art, all within the metaverse economy. All right, here's your beginner roadmap. Understand the project you're investing in. Is it legit? Who's behind it? Use MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. You'll need this for crypto, NFTs, and virtual assets. Start with Ethereum or a platform-specific token like Mana or Sand. Explore Decentraland, Sandbox, Axie Infinity, depending on your interest. Don't go all in. Start with a small amount and see how the market behaves. Twitter, Discord, and Reddit are full of people sharing tips and opportunities. Remember, the metaverse is still evolving. That means it's exciting, but also risky. Only invest what you're willing to lose and diversify. That's your beginner-friendly guide to investing in the metaverse. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you investing in the metaverse yet? Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and stay future ready.